Welcome to this Revit tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to easily import a DWG file into your Revit project in just a few steps. First, open the Revit project where you want to import the DWG file. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon menu at the top. Now, go to the Insert tab and choose either Import CAD or Link CAD, depending on your needs. Import CAD brings the DWG file into your project permanently. It's embedded in your model. Link CAD creates a reference. If the DWG file changes, you can reload it in Revit. Once you choose your option, select your DWG file. Then adjust these settings. Positioning, like origin to origin, colors, layers, and import units. Once you're happy with the settings, go ahead and click the Open button at the bottom right. And that's it. Now you know how to bring a DWG file into Revit the right way. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this helped. More Revit tips are on the way.